my name is Binz, and I am the HomeScholar. My mission is to help parents homeschool middle school and high school, and I really believe that homeschooling independently is the best way for you to encourage a love of learning in your children, homeschool with freedom, and provide education to your adults of the future. So I would love to encourage you to homeschool independently with this small book. This is one of my coffee break books, which means that it's a very small book, easy to read, easy to understand, conversational, incorporates humor, nobody's going to cry. I'll definitely explain how do you homeschool from the very, very beginning when you've never done it before so that you feel confident in what you're doing. You'll learn the hows and the whys. So please check out the description. Make sure you look at the reviews from others. And after you've made your purchase, please come back and leave me another Amazon review. I'd love to hear what you thought, and I look forward to serving you in your homeschool journey. Take care.